In the Winter 25 release, Salesforce introduced the ability for person accounts to report to each other in a hierarchical structure using the standard reports to field. This feature needs to be explicitly enabled from Salesforce setup. Navigate to person accounts and then toggle on the option for reports to field on person account. Once that's done, navigate to Object Manager, find person accounts, and then adjust the person account layout so that it includes the reports to field. You may need to adjust Lightning record pages if you are using dynamic forms. Let's pop that on our layout, save it, and I want Michael to report to Nicole. So from the details page for Michael, I can now see the reports to field. I can edit this, search for Nicole, select that as a value, and then save the record. You can now see that those two contacts are related to each other in a hierarchical fashion.